If you're ready to get decluttered and organized, but you feel overwhelmed by objects too precious to throw away, I'm going to show you a storage solution that takes just 5 minutes to make. Let's go. If you love to live an upscale lifestyle on a downsized budget, I am here for you at Skip to My Life. Today is a super simple, super quick video on a little trick that I have learned over the years on how to eliminate overwhelm in decreasing your home clutter. All you'll need is one of these poster boards, and I got mine at Dollar Tree. They're under $1. You can get them in many different colors, and if you decide you want to use this system, you may want to color code them. You can also buy vinyl stick-on letters at Dollar Tree, so get some of those while you're there at the same time. Next, you'll simply fold that into a third section. Now, you'll want a flap to hang over the top. I use my glue gun to glue gun the sides together, but you can also tape or staple the sides together. As you may have guessed, we're creating a giant envelope. Now, this is a wonderful, efficient system to categorize items too precious to throw away throughout the year. And I have found that it's really effective because it eliminates so many of those overwhelming decisions about sentimental things. I can just keep them all in this giant envelope throughout the year. And then when the year is over, I can look back and decide which ones I want to keep and which ones to get rid of. When my kids were school age, I would keep all of their papers in envelopes like this, and they were color-coded for each child. You could use that same idea for different types of memories and special papers, announcements, photographs, things like that. Then at the end of the year, if you decide you'd like to, you can purchase one of these larger art portfolios. These could also be color-coded. Now, what I'm thinking of doing is buying one of these or one of the clear art portfolios, and I have linked both of those below. And I am thinking of filling those with each of my kids' special papers, and then at some point I can hand them that big, giant portfolio, and then they can take it with them. If they want to keep it, they can, or if they want to get rid of it, if it doesn't mean much to them, they can do that too. But it would be a system that would be so easy to transport and easy for them to go through. If you're new to Skip to My Life, welcome. I am so glad you came over. And if you're a longtime watcher and subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for putting up with my froggy voice today. This is a little footage of my long-haired dachshund puppy, Bella. She loves to get into the string when I am working in my studio. One of my New Year's resolutions is to keep my kitchen table free of clutter, and these envelopes really help with that effort. And without really spending much time at all, I can put everything in the envelope for the year. And then at the end of the year, it becomes a fun family activity to go back through all of those memories and decide which ones I really want to keep. If you enjoyed today's storage solution, you'll love my Organize and Declutter playlist, so don't forget to click on that next. And until we see each other next time, don't forget, today's not the end of your story, so don't give up. Keep putting one foot in front of the other. Until we see each other next time, this is Shannon from Skip to My Life.